The task of today is to make and simulate the traffic light circuit. In Tinkercad circuits, create a new circuit. Here in the components, let's go to Arduino. Let's take an Arduino Uno board with a breadboard. Like this combination is comfortable in connection. We said that for voltage we need here the 5-volt pin, and every time we need a ground we need here the ground pin. Now with this connection, as you can see here in the breadboard, all this line is considered as ground, and it's connected here in black to ground. All this line is considered 5 volt. So it's all connected in red to 5 volt when required. And again, let's go here with black. All this line is ground and all this is 5 volt. Why we need to make this? It's to have tidy and neat connections. Not every time we need ground we come here. Not every time we need 5 volt we come here. Let's remember also that in the breadboard, these 5 points, let's say row, every 5 points here in a row are considered as 1 point. Now the traffic light, we need 3 LEDs and 3 resistors. Let's take here the first LED. Now this LED, the anode, the long one, that is the positive one, is in this point, and the cathode is in this row. Okay, we need a protective resistor. The resistor has to be connected to the LED, to the anode, so we can put it here. I'll take the lower one. Why? Now the resistor here, the upper terminal is connected to the LED. I don't have to add a wire here. Inside the breadboard, these all points are connected. Okay, and now here is my resistor. If I want to connect to the resistor, any of these 3 will be fine. Let's assume the first LED here, I want it red. Click on the LED and go and take, green. Let's change to green. Now assume that I will be using the pins 6, 7, 8 for 3 LEDs. Taking pin number 6, we said here is okay, here or here. Both will work. Okay? And I don't have to add a wire here. It's pointless because inside the breadboard, these are connected. Now where to go after the LED? With the cathode, we have to go to ground. Now take a wire from here, click to any of these. All this line is ground. I'll take this one. Now my first LED is ready. Here is the complete circuit, so I don't waste the time. Here. So this is the traffic light circuit. I made green, yellow, and red. Now let's see the code that you'll have also to type. We learned in the previous task how to make an LED glow. We said that we have first to, in the void setup, we need to choose the mode of the pin mode. In the last lesson it was 13 or 12 output. Now I'm making it for 6, 7 and 8. Now I want to show you some feature we can use in the Arduino IDE. If you don't want every time to use the pin number, you can give the pin number a name. For example here, pin number 8, I gave it a name, red. Before void setup, here I wrote int, that is integer, then space, small letter, space. I chose the name red and I gave this name to pin number 8. Now with this command, integer red equals 8 semicolon, it means pin number 8 is always named as red. So here, instead of writing pin 8, I wrote only red. Okay? Now in void setup, I declared 3 pins, 6, 7 and 8, I made them as outputs. We learned this in the last task. Now in the loop, void loop, here digital write, we said digital write will give a value to the pin. Here I put pin number 6. I gave it high, means I gave it 5 volt to turn on the LED that is connected to pin number 6. So digital write 6 high means give 5 volt to the green LED. I'm starting my traffic light from green, assuming that now it will be green. Then delay, wait for 3 seconds, then make it low again, turn it off, then wait for 1 second. Then here number 7, the yellow LED, it will be high, it will turn on, then low, then high, then low, that it will blink. You know that in the traffic light, after the green light, you will have the orange blinking for some time, or only it turns on. Turns on or blinking, it doesn't matter. Then after the pin number 7 is blinking, turn on, give high to the pin red. Who is the pin red? Here I set it, it's number 8. So you can now go to Tinkercad, connect this circuit and try this sketch.